Hello, Internet, and welcome back to another episode of What's Going On with Sean. Today is really simple. I am just here to tell you about an amazing company that I've been fortunate to work with over the past few months. Now, before I just let the cat out of the bag, that's the international sign for letting the cat out of the bag. Actually, it's not. I just want to say this. Timing can be almost everything when it comes to the success of a company, and I believe the time is now for this particular company. You know this if you're a dealer. Profits are declining, pressures are increasing, and you, my dealer friends, are riding these waves every day. It's not fun. It's not getting easier. Gross profits and new car margins keep decreasing, and new car affordability is a very big challenge these days. Not to mention, e-commerce models like Carvana and CarMax are devouring the used car marketplace. Well, you can see why it's not getting any easier. If you're a franchise dealer, what attention, attraction, more importantly, what value exists in your off-brand, non-CPO used inventory? Aside from the brand-specific CPO opportunities for franchise dealers, I could ask the same question to independent dealers. And so I'd like to introduce you to SureSale. They're an independent CPO brand for dealers. Dealers who know how much value exists in quality used vehicles. Imagine being able to check, inspect, and protect all of your used vehicles and offer them to consumers with 5-month, 5,000-mile warranties and 5-day exchange guarantees. Yeah, there's a lot to love about SureSale, and part of their value is the fact that they are a brand that will drive traffic to your dealership. Seriously, they're building a massive brand, a brand that will help dealers sell more CPO used cars. I'm a big fan of this company. They have a great team driving their innovation. Their time is now. Listen, if you'd like to know more, I'd be happy to talk to you, or I'll just put you in touch with them directly. I'm actually sure that dealers should get on board with SureSale. And that's what's going on with Sean. Until next time, be the difference and always keep a song in your heart. Today, mine is Touch the Sky by the Black Pumas, and you can check it out by clicking here, or somewhere around here, and I'll see you next time on What's Going On with Sean. Wait, what? Oh, I heard you, Internet. How can I be so sure? That's a fair question. But just wait until you see Shirley. Actually, you don't have to wait. Click on the links right here, somewhere around here, and you can see for yourself. I know I wouldn't want to be the dealer left out when I started seeing these commercials hitting my market. Until next time.